Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover participle phrases. There is a separate playlist of phrases in English language on my channel and the link of which will be available in the description box below. So without any further ado or delay, let's jump right into the video. Before moving on to explain participle phrases, let us first understand what does participle mean. So basically participle is a non-finite verb, okay, and a participle is a non-finite verb but is used as an adjective. So it does the task of describing. So adjectives describe. So a participle describes but it is a non-finite verb but does the task of describing. If you see these examples here, German shepherds are hunting dogs. German shepherds are hunting dogs. So here hunting dogs. So here hunting through a verb. Hunting through a verb describes the word dogs, right? So therefore this is a participle. Hunting and together hunting dogs is a participle phrase. Next is he sat on a broken bench. He sat on a broken bench. So here broken, through this verb broken, it is describing the word bench. So therefore broken here is participle and therefore a broken bench is participle phrase. The next example is the racing car overturned. The racing car overturned. Here racing through a verb describes what? Describes the car. So therefore racing is a participle here and the racing car together will be a participle phrase. So therefore participle is a non-finite verb but it is it has the task of describing. Okay, it describes what? It describes a noun or a pronoun. Participle phrase. The participle phrase begins with the participle, okay, and the form is either there will be ed at the end of the verb or ing form of verb and acts as an adjective. So therefore a participle phrase begins with a participle, right? Participle is a non-finite verb and participle is a non-finite verb which has ed or ing at the end of the verb and therefore it functions as an adjective. It has the task of describing the noun or a pronoun, right? So if you see these examples, the first one is several NGOs are helping victims suffering from ravages of the cyclone. So here NGO means non-government organization, right? So several NGOs are helping victims suffering from ravages of the cyclone. So here the underlined part is beginning from the word suffering, right? And so suffering is a participle, right? Ing form of verb, okay, and it is describing what? It is describing the ravages of the cyclone. So therefore this is a participle phrase. The next example is the guest list includes some artists facilitated with Padma awards. So here the ed form of the word facilitated is a participle which is describing the Padma awards, which is describing the artist with the Padma awards, right? So therefore a participle phrase begins with a participle, either its verbal form will be ing or ed at the end of the verb and therefore it will act as an adjective. So yes guys, that was all for today's video and through this video we have come to an end of the kinds of phrases and next will definitely be the exercises coming on phrases or its recognition, etc. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. All the important link will be linked down in the description box. Keep learning and keep growing.